and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Suzie. To all of my new subscribers, I'm Suzie. This is me. This is Juan. To all of my returning subscribers, what it do? What's good? What's poppin', poo? Okay, so today's video is going to be clearly on these, I don't want to call them jumbo because they're not really jumbo. They jumbo parts though. But if y'all want to see how I got these twisties, then stay tuned and continue watching.
Look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
Hey babes, so y'all know I gotta talk. Okay, but anywho, so for this video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful twist natural protective hairstyle, you know. Okay, so I have done this look before, but they was jumbo and they was just like average length, but these are super long, so it will take a little more time. And I really love this style on me. Like, it's super cute. Y'all see I got my little hair accessories. I had these hair accessories for a long time, and then I came across them. I'm like, oh, okay, cool, period. And y'all, guess what? I literally woke up that morning, I'm like, I need to do something to my hair, because I was wearing my hair in a ponytail because I've been working 10-hour shifts every day, y'all. So I didn't really have time to do my hair, so it was in a ponytail, and I don't want my hair to start breaking off, because you know it's not good to keep having your hair in a ponytail, you know. So I wanted to do something to my hair, so I literally woke up like, okay, I'm gonna do something to my hair. I did not have to go to the beauty supply because I had extra hair left over from other stuff, so I had literally 3 packs of expression hair and I used that. But let's get into it. Let me show y'all the twist one more time. And y'all did really good on the parts. But yeah, these are the twists. If you're interested, then keep watching.
Okay, so hey babes, we're gonna get right into the video. Don't mind me, I will be listening to my music this whole video, but I will be going in with some Carol's Daughter, Goddess Strengthened, leave-in conditioner, and some milk, hair milk. Y'all, I love Carol's Daughter so much. It makes my hair feel so like healthy. It keeps it shiny using more hair milk. It's a great detangler and it smells amazing. Like, this is some really good product. It is expensive, but yeah, I picked it up at Walmart, but that is and this is the oil, and I got everything from Walmart. So make sure y'all check this out. Like, I know I put a lot in here, but I'm gonna have this hairstyle up for a little minute. But yeah, let's get started. So these are the parts, y'all. I'm putting oil on my rubber bands, but I usually go ahead and start with the back of my hair because it is a lot more easier. I feel like y'all should go ahead and do so as well. Polo in the background playing with his toys, so don't mind him. And I am using Eco Styling Gel to use for like the holding the ponytail or whatnot. And y'all can part y'all hair to y'all liking, and this is just how I parted mine. Of course, you're doing this yourself, so give yourself a break, and the parts is not going to be 100% perfect, but come on sis, you got this. So now I did use 3 packs of expression hair. I didn't feel like going out, so I had 24 twists in my head, so I literally have to use 8 pieces from each pack of hair. But I am going to try to explain this the best way that I can. So you're gonna part your hair into 2 different sections, and then you're gonna add the weave to one section of the hair, and then you're going to have a single piece of weave and a single piece of your hair. And then you want to start it off with a braid until those two single pieces connect together. That's the best way that I can explain it, and I'm going to show you guys a couple times in the video. As of right now, this is me putting the two single pieces together. And then it looks like I'm doing more, but I'm not. I'm just trying to get the twist to come in front so it can be easier for me to twist down. So like I said, I explained it the best way that I could, and I have it going in slow motion so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And I am going to show you a couple more times throughout the video. So yeah, it's pretty simple though. And just a FYI, I didn't mention, but I am not cutting the expression hair at all. I am using it as is, the length as is. So yeah. And after you get the technique at the top with the braid and, you know, putting the hair together, it's so easy. All you're doing is twisting down. Y'all, I was really lit throughout this video, like listening to my Ari Lennox. Y'all know I love me some Ari Lennox. Megan Thee Stallion, all that. But at the end of the hair, I forgot to tell you or show a little clip. At the bottoms of the hair, I am just adding rubber bands. So this is me again. I can explain to you guys one more time. You're taking two sections of your hair, and you're gonna have one piece of single hair of weave and single hair of your hair, and then you're gonna braid it, and then you're going to braid it until you get the two single pieces together. And when I get the two single pieces together like so right here, I like to twist it just a little bit so it can be like it's connected together. And now I am going to just go ahead and twist that down. Like, this hairstyle is super easy. It's just take a little time because they are super long. And y'all, I got so many compliments on this style, so I am trying to get this video up as soon as possible. Y'all, how I turned around was so funny, but I be trying to make sure that I am getting everything recorded, because it's been many times that I've been recording and y'all ain't seeing what I'm doing. But I am using edge wax. This is very important because you want to make sure you put some type of edge control on your hair so it can blend in with the twisties really well. So y'all, I'm halfway done. It looks so good. Oh my god. Um, but yeah, so that's what I was talking about right there. I just paused it a little so y'all can see like the rubber bands at the end, and then I'm gonna of course clip the rest of the hair after that. So again, to those of you who did not catch on the first two times, this is me doing it again, but I am not going to explain it again because I already explained it twice. But yeah, y'all, it's lit. I really love this hairstyle, y'all. Period. I snapped. Y'all, these twists made your girl want to keep twerking at it. Cause they so long. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so I'm all done. Parts is very decent. Twist came out great. Love it. Cause who ain't snap on their twist? Period. The fuck poo. Yo, let's just really get into these twists though. Like, I freaking snapped. I love them. Like, they perfect for me. I love them. Done by Mwah.
Okay, babe, so this is the final and finishing look on the twisties, and yo, I really am loving it. Like, really loving it. So I hope y'all love it too. I hope y'all try this hairstyle. It did take me longer than usual because they're so long, but I finished it and they're super cute. Like, I just can't stop running my fingers. I'll run your fingers through my hair. I'm so stupid and goofy, but yes, y'all, this is the final and finishing look. I hope I helped you guys out through this video. I hope you go ahead and try to achieve this look on your own and save you some money, sis, because y'all know that's all I do. That's all I'm about, saving some money. DIY, do it yourself. Okay, sis. But I did, you know, I didn't record it, but you know, after you get your hair done with the twist and the braids and stuff, you dip it in hot water so it can, like, you know, hold better and look better. And I really like how it came out, but there's a but. So I did wash my hair before I started doing this one night, so y'all know your girl is natural. So when I dipped my hair in the hot water, y'all know my hair is long too, so it was like down here, so I was trying to, you know, dip that too, but my hair dipping is not, it's not cool. So a lot of mine, I did most of them over, but a lot of them looked it like this, like with, like I had my hair up for a long time. But most of them I did over. Well, I did all of them over because it just ruined my hairstyle. So be careful with that if you have long natural hair and you dipping it in the hot water, so it will, you know, come out. But I love the way that the hair actually looked after I dipped this. But yeah, I'm out. I actually have 2 videos that's coming soon. They are recorded. I recorded 3 videos in 2 days, so those videos will be uploaded soon. After this, my vision board video should be up by the time you see this one, or a little bit after you see this one. This is the new one. This is my old one, y'all. I did take some stuff off that I did not achieve this year that I still want to accomplish next year. So I did not wait all the way to New Year's to make my my board, because I know what I want now. But yes, this is it. So make sure y'all check that video out as well. This is vision board number 2 with you guys. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you guys so much, all 4K of you guys, and that's all I have. I love you guys oh so much. I did say that again, right? But see y'all really love y'all. But yeah, that's all I have, and I'm out. Peace. Oh y'all, I came back because I had to show y'all. So I did do an eyebrow tutorial because a lot of people was asking, a lot of people was complimenting me, so I did go ahead and give you guys one. And these are the brows, so if y'all want to check them out, then go ahead and click the link down below in the description box. And I'm out for real this time. Peace.